People ask me, I had different companies come out. Some want to sell me a soda ash injection system, and some want to sell me an acid neutralizer tank. And here's the difference. A soda ash injection system requires a hopper with a pump on top, a retention tank, and an injector that pushes the water. Every time you use water, the pump kicks on and pushes it into the tank, and it blends it together and neutralizes the pH and then sends it through your house. With an acid neutralizer tank, basically you install this after the pressure tank, water passes through, becomes neutral, totally self-regulating, never goes beyond a certain point as far as pH goes, and it's much easier for maintenance. With a soda ash system, you have to maintain it on a monthly basis. You have to mix powder with warm water, get that mixture perfect. If it's too high, it can be toxic. If it's too low, it doesn't do anything. And it's just a pain in the butt. When we were a service company, we ended up taking more of them out because people were pissed off about the cost of repair of the pump, having to deal with it every month. They would forget about it. And we put a neutralizer tank in for them, and they were completely happy. As far as maintenance with the neutralizer tank, it could be 24 to 36 months before you have to add any calcite to it. Basically, people ask, my pH is 4 on the pH scale, which is extremely, extremely acidic. What system should I choose? Basically, both systems will work, and a neutralizer tank will work. Basically, with a neutralizer tank, you just add more FloMag as a booster to help raise the pH, and it's a lot less maintenance than the soda ash injection system. The soda ash system installed correctly with a retention tank, which is usually 80 to 120 gallons, plus the soda ash injection system itself, is usually going to run you anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000. As far as the non-backwashing upflow 2.5 cubic foot system is $14.95 shipped to your house and is much easier to install and maintain. People ask, is soda ash a better choice than an acid neutralizer system? And I always tell them no. We don't sell those. We don't want to sell those. We don't service them. We never service them. We ended up taking more of those things out, probably hundreds over a period of 25 years as a service company. And I always tell them, I don't recommend it. I wouldn't sell one of those to my worst enemy. We always recommend either a backwashing or a non-backwashing acid neutralizer system. With a soda ash injection system, if the pump fails or you run out of solution, your water becomes acidic again. If you compare the amount of hardness one to the other, the soda ash injection system is a little bit less as far as hardness goes than the actual acid neutralizer tank. People will call and ask me, I have an injection system for my pH. Can I change that over to an acid neutralizer? Because I'm really tired of dealing with the labor for them to come out and fill it every month. Can I just put an acid neutralizer system in? And we tell them, yes, it's not a problem.